Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I have come up with a new recipe that is chicken roll. You can conclude it as a iftar recipes or evening snack too. So, ingredients I have taken is very simple, that is potato, onion, tomato, green chili, ginger, chicken. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the chicken to boil along with pepper powder, turmeric powder and salt. So let it boil. You can add some carrots or beans, whatever whichever ingredient you like, but I have not taken all that. Okay, let it boil, and along with that I'm going to add one potato. So yeah, let it cook. Keeping aside, now what I'm going to chop the onions to slices, small pieces, and tomato. Everything should be chopped into small pieces. Fry the onions until it turns like brown, light brownish color. Adding tomatoes to green chili, ginger all together. Let it fry it very deeply. So yeah, very simple. This is very tasty too, and I'm adding salt so that it will be easy to fry. It doesn't take so much time to fry. Adding turmeric powder, except okay, adding curry leaves. I have not chopped the curry leaves, I forgot to chop it. You can chop it or you can add it like this, while fragrance very good. So after adding turmeric powder, saute it very well for nearly 2 to 3 minutes, so the onion and tomatoes should be cooked very well. By the time, let me check if my potato is boiled or not. Okay, it's boiled. Let me take it aside and chopping into small very pieces. It's optional. If you want to take the potatoes, you can, or else just leave it. Instead, you can add egg too, but I have not preferred egg over here because I have adding chicken. By the time my chicken is ready, so keeping the chicken to cool down. After that, I'm going to add masala powder, that is 1 spoon of garam masala, 1 spoon chicken masala, 1 spoon pepper masala. It's optional if you want to add some more masala powders too. Cut the chicken into small minces and mix it very well along with the mixture of all these ingredients. So finally I'm going to add coriander leaves, and yet my filling is ready. So next step is I have to prepare the patty for chicken roll. I have taken half cup maida, adding a egg yolk. Now add a pinch of salt. I have taken as per my taste. Stir it very well so that it should get a good mixture. Finally, I'm going to add water. The water, you should not add too much of water. First add some quantities of water, mix it very well, and the consistency should be very thick. It should not form like a dosa but with watery. On the flame. So guys, always you should remember the flame should be very low. Now preparing a dosa. I have prepared a very small dosa. You can do a bigger in size. Mine is very smaller. And yes, do it for how much dosa you want to prepare. You can prepare like me. I have prepared nearly 6 to 7 dosas. Yes, my filling is ready, and this is for a gum. I have taken small quantity of maida powder and adding 1 spoon of water, so it should be like a gum. Yes, my gum is ready. Now take a patti, or I am telling it is a dosa. Add a filling. You can add how much you want to add it to filling. Now fold from top and bottom. Just give one fold. From left side, fold it upon the roll it, and the side put a gum at the end of the patti or dosa. Yes, now my roll is ready. I have prepared nearly 6-7 dosas. Now what you have to do is you can fry it. Now I'm going to fry it with two ways. One is shallow fry, another one is deep fry. For shallow fry, I have taken a pan and adding a small quantity of oil. And this is deep frying. Deep frying means you have to take large quantity of oil. So deep fry and shallow fry, there's a difference between deep fry, because this is just a crispy is very less, and that is very crispy. Yes, look at the two difference between the rolls. One is shallow fry and deep fry. Yes, my roll is ready. You can have it for iftar or evening snack, or yeah, can have it anytime along with mayonnaise or tomato sauce, whatever you want to add. Yes, thank you. And this is a variety kind of dish. Thank you and subscribe.